Unlock the power of your creativity with Canva. Here's how to make eye-catching content in just minutes. First up, choosing the right template. Canva has thousands, but here's a tip: type a keyword like Instagram story or Facebook ad and watch the magic happen. Next, customization. Drag and drop your images or pick from Canva's vast library. Want to add text? Click text, choose your style, and boom, you're an instant graphic designer. Now, let's talk colors. Use your brand colors or experiment with Canva's color wheel to catch eyes and stop thumbs. And don't forget about Canva's video features. Yes, you heard right. Create engaging videos by simply selecting video from the menu, adding your footage, and spicing it up with dynamic transitions and music. Lastly, collaboration. Working in a team. Share your design and get real-time feedback, making teamwork a breeze. With Canva, you're not just fast-tracking your design process, you're setting your social media on fire.